Dear students, in this video we are going to talk about Archaebacteria or Archaea. What is Archaebacteria? Archaebacteria is prokaryotic mononeurons, and this is found in very harsh habitats. Harsh habitats means extreme environmental condition where salinity is high or hot spring or there is the marshy area. On the basis of their environmental condition, these archaebacteria is of three types: halophiles, thermoacidophiles, and methanogen. What are the halophiles? Halophiles are those type of archaea or those type of archaebacteria which are inhabits in salty area in high concentration of salt, that is called salinity. Where these are found, archaea which are found in extreme salty area, and example is halobacterium. Now second one is thermoacidophiles. These thermoacidophiles are those type of archaebacteria which is found in very hot environment. It is found in hot springs. One of the example of thermophiles is Thermus aquaticus. Thermus aquaticus is a very important bacteria which are in habits in hot springs, and from this bacteria DNA polymerase is isolated. This tag DNA polymerase is very important enzyme which is used in PCR reaction, that is the polymerase chain reaction. What is polymerase chain reaction? Polymerase chain reaction is in vitro polymerization reaction which we can perform our molecular and genetic engineering laboratory, where DNA concentration is increased by this reaction. So this Thermus aquaticus is very important bacteria from which tag DNA polymerase is isolated, and it works at temperature more than 90 degrees Celsius. Now come on the third type of archaebacteria, methanogens. What are methanogens? Methanogens are those type of archaebacteria which are found in marshy area. This is also found in ruminant animals. The intestine of ruminant animals, as for example cows, buffaloes, etc. Example is Methanosarcina. So these three type of bacteria belonging from archaea inhabits in very extreme environmental condition. And how this extreme environmental consideration is tolerated by this group of bacteria? Answer is the presence of special biochemical components in their cell wall. Biochemical composition of archaeal cell wall allow them to survive in extreme harsh habitats, that is extreme environmental condition where salinity, temperature or any other condition is unfavorable for eubacteria or other organisms. The cell wall is composed of polysaccharides and proteins. Exception is methanogens where pseudo pseudopeptidoglycan is present in the cell wall of methanogenic bacteria. This question may be asked in several examinations. What is the composition of archibacterial cell wall? So you must remember this. Archibacterial cell wall composition is equal to polysaccharide plus proteins, meaning thereby archibacterial cell wall is composed of polysaccharides plus protein, or protein may be replaced by amino acids or polypeptides. You should not confuse. So this was all about the archibacteria which belongs to the kingdom Monera. These are of three types: halophiles, thermoacidophiles and methanogens. If you feel this video is beneficial for you, then you must subscribe this channel, like this video and share. You can also click the bell icon so that you can receive our forthcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.